G'day! We're heading to Lausanne, in the French-speaking part of Switzerland, on Lake Geneva, or Lac Léman as it's called in French. So stay tuned and we'll see you there. The Cité, the original medieval city of Lausanne, is on top of a hill that rises from Ouchy on the lake shore. Buses and the metro climb the hill. There are also historic staircases such as this one. At the top of the hill is the Notre Dame Cathedral. The organ has 7,000 pipes, 2 consoles and 5 keyboards. The Escaliers du Marché, originally built in the early 18th century, descend from the cathedral to the market square. Has been home to Blondel, Lausanne's oldest chocolatier since 1891. This shop sells every colour of COVID mask that you could ever dream of. The Chateau d'Ouchy is on the site of a medieval castle built in the 12th century. It burnt down in the 17th century and was ultimately rebuilt in the 19th and converted into a hotel. Only the tower is original. Here, the historic Treaty of Lausanne was signed in 1923, ending the First World War. It was signed by Turkey on one side and the Allies on the other, and defined the boundaries of modern-day Turkey. A little further along the lake is the Olympic Museum, housing the largest collection of Olympic artefacts in the world. The International Olympic Committee has its headquarters in Vidi, next to our campsite. That's all for now. What's your favourite place in Lausanne? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon for more travel destinations.